So you got all this storage, and then this is the garage. Hey, little buddy, aren't you so cute? Oh, he hasn't barked not once. With a big old stranger walking around his house. She's doing a good job. I don't know which one it is. I'm not gonna bother the dog. But it looks really good. Really, really good. A little drywall missing, no big deal. And that's the garage. So here you're only gonna get maybe one car in here. No signs of water. I don't know what that pipe used to go to. That would be a home inspector question. They'll be able to tell you all of that. But it looks good.